English lesson 1 exercises children. First one, new words. R-A-B-B-I-T, rabbit. R-A-B-B-I-T, rabbit. S-W-A-N, swan. S-W-A-N, swan. S-W-I-M, swim. S-W-I-M, swim. H-O-P, hop. H-O-P, hop. F-L-Y, fly. F-L-Y, fly. R-U-N, run. R-U-N, run. P-L-A-Y, play. P-L-A-Y, play. C-R-Y, cry. Once again, rabbit, rabbit, swan, swan, swim, swim, hop, hop, fly, fly, run, run, play, play, cry, cry. Exercise number 2. Put a tick or a cross against each statement. Textbook page 6. Look at here, children. Number 1. Here statements are there. We should find out whether it is correct or wrong. First one, Dolly is a swan. The statement is correct. We put a tick. Dolly is a swan. Bunny is a swan. That is wrong. Bunny is a rabbit. Bunny is a swan. Wrong. Dolly is a rabbit. That is wrong statement. Dolly is a swan only. No, that's why wrong. Bunny is a rabbit. Correct. Bunny is a rabbit. Correct. Bunny can fly. Wrong. Bunny can run. Correct. Bunny can hop. Correct. Bunny can swim. Wrong. Dolly can fly. Correct. Dolly can run. Wrong. Dolly can hop. Wrong. Dolly can swim. Correct. Understood, children? Dolly is a swan. Correct. Bunny is a swan. Wrong. Dolly is a rabbit. Wrong. Bunny is a rabbit. Correct. Bunny can fly. Wrong. Bunny can run. Correct. Bunny can hop. Correct. Bunny can swim. Wrong. Dolly can fly. Correct. Dolly can run. Wrong. Dolly can hop. Wrong. Dolly can swim. Correct. Then go to third exercise. Rearrange the letters. Same, the textbook page 7. Rearrange the letters. Here some letters are there. We should arrange in the correct form. First one, A-C-T. We should write C-A-T, cat. O-D-G. Correct word is D-O-G, dog. L-O-W. The correct word is O-W-L. I-F-H-S. F-I-S-H, fish. Once again read the correct words, children. C-A-T, cat. D-O-G, dog. O-W-L, owl. F-I-S-H, fish. Here, next exercise, number 4. Complete the action words. The action words means doing words. If you are doing some actions, that only we are doing the saying the action words. Page number 7. R dash dash. What is the R-U-N, run. Dash L-Y. F-L-Y, fly. Dash dash y. CRY, cry. PL dash dash. PLAY, play. SW dash dash. SWIM, swim. SI dash dash. SING, sing. Once again read this sentence full. RUN, run. FLY, fly. CRY, cry. PLAY, play. SWIM, swim. SING, swing. Children, listen. Next, exercise number 5. Rewrite each sentence correctly with the word can't instead of cannot. Here see the spelling, CAN''T, can't. CANNOT, cannot. These two words meaning is same. Okay. The exercise is in textbook page 8. We'll see, children. Number 1, bunny can not fly. Here, bunny can not fly. We should write this cannot in can't. We should change this word into can't. The spelling is CAN''T, can't. Okay, we'll read it. Bunny can not fly. The correction sentence is bunny can't fly. Here cannot, here can't. Second one, Dolly can not run. The correct sentence is Dolly can't run. Can not. Here CAN'T, can't. Next, Dolly can not hop. Correct sentence is Dolly can''T, can't hop. Dolly can not hop. Dolly can't hop. Next, bunny can not swim. Correct sentence is bunny can't, CAN'T, can't swim. Once again we'll read, children. Bunny can not fly. Bunny can't fly. Dolly can not run. Dolly can't run. Dolly can not hop. Dolly can't hop. Bunny can not swim. Bunny can't swim. Isn't it? The place of CANNOT, cannot, we should write CAN'T, can't. That is this exercise. Then we'll go to next exercise. Number 6. Rewrite each sentence as a question. You should make a question. Here answer we gave, but we should make the question here. Textbook page 8. First one is, here the sentence is Dolly can fly. Dolly can fly. When we are making the question, we should write the first word here. Here the can is the question word here. We should write the question word first. What will come? This word will come here first. Can Dolly fly? When we are writing the question, we should put the question mark compulsory. This is the question mark. We will write the question from this sentence. Can Dolly fly? Next one. Bunny can run. Make the question can will come first. Can bunny run? Question mark. Can bunny run? Third one. Bunny can hop. Make the question can. Can is the first word. Can bunny hop? Question mark. Number 4. Dolly can swim. Question. Can. First word can. Question word. Can Dolly swim? Question mark. Read again, children. Dolly can fly. Question is, can Dolly fly? Second one, Bunny can run. Can Bunny run? Third one, Bunny can hop. Question is, can Bunny hop? Number 4, Dolly can swim. Question is, can Dolly swim? Okay. Children, listen. The 7th exercise. Have a short dialogue with your partner. Use these action words. It is in textbook page 9. Look here. Here we have a conversation with your friends. Sing. Here some words are there. Sing, dance, swim, jump and cook. Some words are there. Sing, dance, swim, jump and cook. Here we have to complete this. You, 2 members are there. You, can you sing? You are asking the question to your partner. The partner is answering, yes, I can. Can you sing? Yes, I can. Next, you are asking the next question. Can you read? You are asking, can you read? The partner is saying that answer, no, I can't. No, I can't. Again, you are asking the third question. Can you jump? Partner is saying that, yes, I can. So here can, can't. Can, can't. Which work you can do, we can write with can. Which work you can't do, we are writing with can't. We use the word can't. Again, you are asking, can you sing? Partner is saying, yes, I can. Again, you are asking, can you read? Partner is answering, no, I can't. You are asking, can you jump? Partner is saying, yes, I can. Can, can't. Okay. The next exercise. Exercise number 8. Read these words. It is in the page number 10. Some words are here. SWIM, swim. 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 SKATE, skate. 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 WHISTLE, whistle. Whistle. Then RIDE, ride a horse. Ride a horse. Ride a horse. DRIVE, drive a car. Drive a car. Drive a car. PLAY, play. CHESS, chess. Play chess. Play chess. Practice these words, children. Okay. The next exercise. Exercise number 9. Write 6 sentences about yourself. Textbook page 10. Write 6 sentences about yourselves. Here mainly we use can, can't, can, what works you can, what works you can't. That only here we should complete. We will write. I can read. I can read. I can't skate. Do you know skating? No. That's why I can't skate. Next, I can sing. I can sing. I can't dance. You can sing but I can't dance. Again, I can play caroms. You know the caroms. I can play caroms but I can't play chess. I can't play chess. Once again, you say 6 sentences about yourself. I can read. I can't skate. I can sing. I can't dance. I can play caroms. I can't play chess. These are the first exercises, children. You have to complete these all exercises in your classwork. Children, listen again. Take the face that shows how you felt. Exercise is in Textbook page 81. On your birthday, happy face and saddy face, which will be correct? On the day, how do you feel? On your birthday, you feel happy, isn't it? The next one, when you had a fight with your friends, you made a fighting with your friends, happy or sad? Sad, isn't it? Again, when your dog fell ill, happy or sad? Sad. Then, when you went on a holiday, you went outing, happy or sad? You will happy. Then, on your first day at school, all are happy or sad? Everyone will get sad, isn't it? Then we'll go to next exercise. Answer these questions about yourself. You have to write yourself. Textbook page 82. What is the name of the city in which you live? Where do you live? In Hyderabad. The city is Hyderabad. Next one. What is your nickname? You have a nickname, children. You have to ask your parents and write here. Then, in which city were you born? That also you have to ask your parents. They will say the correct answer. Then, what is the color of your hair? What is the color of your hair? Black. Then, what is the color of your eyes? Black, isn't it? Then we will ask this question again. What is the name of the city in which you live? Hyderabad. What is your nickname? Dash. In which city were you born? Dash. What is the color of your hair? Black. What is the color of your eyes? Black. Okay. Now we are going to learn few new words. First one, my, self, self, myself. Second one, study, study, study. Third one, father, father. Mother, mother. Number 5, birthday, birth, day, birthday. Number 6, friend, friend, friend. Number 7, school, school, school. Say again, children. Myself, study, father, mother, birthday, friend, school. First lesson exercises over. Write these all exercises in your class workbook and homework book and learn also, children. Thank you.